So I'm at the Hampton Inn Pearl District in Portland, Oregon, and this is a king standard room with a sofa bed. We actually used points for this tonight, so pretty happy that we got a 6th floor room and a king size bed. So you walk in, you go to the right. This is one of the barn door type of sliders with a full length mirror. And one is the bathroom door, the other side is the closet. So I'll show you in a minute. So this is 3 hooks and a large shower. That's a standing shower with the handle there, but the spout there. So, and then toilet, a little behind the wall there. Then the sink and Neutrogena products and a well-lit mirror for makeup and whatnot. So this would be an adjoining room if you wanted to adjoin it. So now I'll move over to the other side of the barn door. The closet has an extra blanket, an ironing board, and hangers and a suitcase holder. Then we'll come into the main room. This is, like I said, a king-size bed. Next to the bed there are outlets and the phone and this lamp. And on this side also, I'm going to turn the light on, there's an alarm clock and outlets, although the alarm clock's not turned on. And this bed does not have a top sheet. So then we do have a sofa bed in here as well that would pull out, and if you had more people you want to sleep here, with a little table, little laptop table, and 2 ottomans for seating. Then our view, very big window. Oh goodness. Our view is a little bit of downtown Portland there, Everett Street. I think we are on like 9th or 10th, I don't know, down there. And you can see the windows are pretty big, so they let a lot of light in. And then we have a little desk area with a chair and an outlet on this lamp here. Another mirror. And in here, there's the wire baskets that I like so much. So instead of having drawers, we've got a coffee service, ice bucket, and then there is also a refrigerator, which we've already kind of stocked for ourselves for the next few days. And then TV. So this is room 630 at the Hampton Inn in Portland, Oregon. This is a fitness center with some free weights, big mirrors, bike, medicine balls, and a whole bunch of elliptical and treadmills, and then towels, and a water station. And this hotel has a rooftop patio complete with seating areas, tables, chairs, umbrellas, and it's a great place to have a cocktail at the end of the evening. And it does have a pretty great view of Portland.